And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, another week's in the books for Nvidia stock, and we have to do a recap in this video on the charts, what I'm looking to do, and where I see Nvidia going in the short term. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Listen to this. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that is a no-brainer, the best deal on the market right now. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So Nvidia stock ended up going up over $1 on the day. It closed, let's see, at 114 or 41, dollars and 54 cents, up 0.8% on the day. And look at this. We actually almost hit an all-time high today, it looks like. We got to 144.13 as the stock broke out right at open. We opened up at 140 to 141, and we got up around, let's see, over 2% from that point up to $144 per share. And that's not an all-time high, is it? Wait, it might be. No, the all-time high is still $144.50. But today we got about, what, 30, 40 cents away from that point. And look at this. With today's move, guys, we took out the highs not only from yesterday being Thursday, but the day before that as well, Wednesday, which Wednesday we opened up at about, let's see, around 141, 142. And that's actually the high from Wednesday, at least during the day. And we obviously broke through that and the pre-market high from Wednesday. So it looks like this is slowly starting to reverse back up. We can see there's a golden cross now. We're above both moving averages. Well, I guess not on this time frame, but on other time frames we are. And we can see clearly after the pullback here, we're now starting to get more buyers. Green is coming in. And again, we're breaking back over those moving averages, which is a good sign on this 30-minute chart, especially. You guys can see here on the 1-hour chart, we can see Nvidia is breaking out of the 50 SMA as of today's trading. So, yeah, we're pretty much continuing the uptrend. That's what we're noticing here, right? And we got about 10, 20, 30 cents away, whatever it was, from all-time highs today. So Nvidia keeps on pushing, ladies and gentlemen, and I think there could be more upside before earnings. That's just me. I think we could get some hype before earnings even, which on Thinkorswim, it looks like they're scheduled for the 20th of November, which is still about a month away, guys. So listen, we broke out of this triangle, which was a bullish pattern for sure, right? And we obviously took out the all-time high from June. Now I think we could get some sort of blow-off top rally, more momentum, kind of a push here towards maybe 150, maybe even higher. I was mentioning this in the Palantir video from earlier today. Once a stock hits all-time highs, it's like, okay, there's no resistance at that point. Where is it going to go next? So I feel like we could get some momentum here towards 150 even before earnings, and then we'll see kind of what happens. I'm actually curious. What do you guys think about that? Let me know down below in the comments. And by the way, have you joined the email list yet? It's completely free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. No spam, no BS. Again, completely free and straight up value. Check out the link in the description box. Put your first name and your email. Boom. You're on the email list. So, yeah, that's a quick rundown on Nvidia. The fact that, we pulled down here to about 137 and we broke back over and closed over 141 which was the previous all-time high from June. That's a great sign for the bulls, the fact that we did that. So for next week, I'm going to wait and see if we start taking out the mid 140s again, 144, 145, and from there, we might get that rally heading into earnings, which would be pretty awesome. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. And today was not the best day for the stock market. I mean, we had all the indexes in the red except for the NASDAQ, which went up 0.6%. We had the Russell down 0.5%. Looks like the Dow went down 0.6. S&P broke even, I guess, but slightly in the red. And the VIX went up over 6.5%. We had some volatility, some uncertainty out there still. VIX is creeping around 20 points, which makes sense. We're getting an elevated VIX heading into the election. I wouldn't be surprised if that came up even more heading into next week. The week after that, especially, maybe a 25 VIX. Who knows? I mean, it wouldn't surprise me with, again, the election, the uncertainty out there right now, at least in the short term. So VIX creeping up, gold, silver, they're continuing to burst to highs. Gold hit another high today, or about to be at a high today, at 27.60. Gold went up 0.4% today. Silver is pushing $34 an ounce, which just recently it was at $35 an ounce about a couple days ago, and silver's been breaking out, and I'm not surprised. I mean, silver's something that we don't talk much about here on the channel, maybe as much as we used to, but it's one of those that we were looking at in the mid-20s, and we actually called the breakout, and here we are, mid-low 30s, low mid-30s. You know, it's looking pretty good for silver, and this pullback here looks pretty attractive, guys. And by the way, SLV is an ETF that tracks silver. You can trade silver essentially with SLV. GLD is the version for gold. So if you want to trade gold without buying the physical metal, GLD, you can do that. And again, with silver, SLV. So other than Nvidia, we had some big movers today. We had Tesla up over 3%, continuing the breakout. And man, look at where we are. Just like that, 270, guys. Tesla's back to 270, which is where we hit back in the end of September. Also back in the middle of July, end of July. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. Uptrend's holding, obviously. And this is the moment of truth spot for Tesla stock. If it breaks out of 270, I'll say 272. I'll put my alert there right now. That would be a clean-cut break, and who knows where it's going to go from there, man. It might go up a lot more for all we know. And yeah, it's been going ballistic since earnings. Now it's up officially 25, almost 26% from earnings. Unreal. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. And shout out to everybody that's been joining the Patreon, where I'm building my private portfolio with real money. I'm putting in money every week, buying stocks, and you guys get to see every move in there. There's also a Discord. I post my charts and ideas throughout the week. Again, shout out to everybody that's been joining the Patreon. If you guys want to check it out, check out the link down below in the description box in the comment section, or go to stocksurfs.com/Patreon. I'll catch you guys on the inside. I'll see you there. And with that being said, cheers. Peace out.